Welcome to my channel, where I share content about cars and automotive history. This spring I visited the Lamborghini Museum in Italy. I'm excited to present you with a short video highlighting the museum's collection. Click the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more interesting car-related content. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Next time, we'll visit the Porsche and Mercedes-Benz museums in Stuttgart.